Is Bitcoin about to surge again, or are we walking straight into a trap before the CPI data drops? Jerome Powell's latest speech just sent shockwaves across both Wall Street and crypto Twitter, and it could be the spark that lights up the next leg of the bull run. Let's break down exactly what he said, why it matters for Bitcoin, and which cryptos might explode next. Before we begin, remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, here's what happened.
Speaking before the National Association for Business Economics in Philadelphia, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hinted that the Fed may finally be nearing the end of its quantitative tightening program. That's the process of reducing its $7 trillion balance sheet. In simpler terms, Powell just hinted that the U.S. money printer might be getting ready to turn back on.
He said the Fed would take a meeting-by-meeting approach to future rate decisions as the central bank weighs rising unemployment, now at 4.2%, against still stubborn inflation sitting around 3.4%. The reaction? Pretty bullish. Markets took Powell's words as cautiously dovish. The Dow and S&P 500 both climbed, Treasury yields fell to 4.02%, and the dollar index slipped below 99 for the first time in weeks. Chief strategist Callie Cox summed it up. Powell dropped a major piece of news when he mentioned the Fed could stop shrinking its balance sheet. A stable balance sheet could lower yields. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is quietly soaking up liquidity. According to Glassnode, institutional capital flowing into Bitcoin has increased 12% since mid-September, a clear sign that smart money is positioning for rate cuts and a weaker dollar heading into Q4. And this brings us to the big question. What's the best crypto to buy right now before CPI hits? While Bitcoin is steady around the $108,000 mark, the spotlight is shifting to Bitcoin Hyper, a new presale project that's redefining how Bitcoin interacts with DeFi. Hyper is the first Layer 2 chain built on the Solana Virtual Machine, combining Bitcoin's security with Solana's lightning-fast transaction speed. It uses a bridge system that locks real BTC, issues a wrapped version, and circulates it across decentralized applications, meaning Bitcoin can finally power DeFi, gaming, and tokenized real-world assets without clogging the main network. That's why early investors have already poured in over $23.5 million, and the 0.013 presale round is almost closing. There's also a 320% APY staking option, and with Bitcoin's macro setup turning bullish, this project could be one of Q4's strongest presale plays. In short, Powell's shift in tone could be the first domino in a broader liquidity comeback, and projects like Bitcoin Hyper might ride that wave the hardest. But what do you think? Will Powell's soft pivot finally unleash Altcoin Season 2.0, or is the market reading too much into it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto insights. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, firm, is flexible, you need a spikes, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice, non-custodial, no KYC, and built for both presale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out in the description.